Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And really both from the very short-term perspective and the overall charting perspective, everything was very bullish after today. The past couple of days, from the very short-term perspective, things were bearish. I mean, obviously with the pullback here, and that's, again, that assumes that you care about a very shorter-term view. But even during that, from the overall picture, as I've talked about, the trend is still bullish. But after today's price movement, yeah, not only in the short run did the price bounce upwards, but, within the grand trend of things, most easily seen by just watching that purple line right there of the 50-period moving average. And you can see that the price has stayed well up above it, and it's got a very nice upward slope to it. So as the name implies, that is a moving average. So that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And as I've said in past videos, the easiest way to gauge the overall health of the chart and the price action is just watch that purple line. As long as the price continues to stay up above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So keep a close eye on that. But like I said, from that point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And then I'll, of course, the last portion of the day. So you can see right there, volume, kicked back in again. And you can see got a nice solid green candle right there. So things are definitely coming back to life. It's just a question now of how much life is actually going to come back to it. So with that being the case, I want to get another area of resistance mapped out here. And that level of resistance going to be right up here at 0.017. So 0.017, that near term, yeah, you still have 0.0195 up there as kind of the overall highs. But before you start talking about doing battle with 0.0195, that first key level is going to be, again, right there at 0.017. But all in all, like I said, whether you're a shorter term player or just care about the big picture of it all, definitely bullish after today's price movement. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Still a couple of days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.